Right, on that little rainbow here. It's gabbing with me, he's just caught one a minute ago, so let's get this little fella in. Nice little solid fish. Took about 5 casts. I don't know how well hooked he is. Pretty well by the looks of it. We'll just ease him up on the bank here. That's running over there. There he goes. Lovely. Alright, good to go. There you go. That was a little rainbow as well, it was. Just taking right off the opposite river bank. Just got one rainbow as well, which is good. It's using the Maps Rainbow lure, size 1, Aglia Fluoro Rainbow. So he's happy, he got a trout in his very first cast, which is good. Good start. Right, it's on a lovely rainbow. Look, there's the arm around my feet. There he comes, there it is. Reasonably well hooked. It's just a cast straight up the river here. Howling gale here, it's 30, good 30 km/h winds now. Now I'll get this fella in the net and send him home. There he is, all good to go. Beautiful. Just taking a cast straight up the river there. I can't believe that wind. I'm sorry for any of the wind noises coming into this video, but this can't be helped. That brown. Just changed over to a Mars brown bugs spinner. For the other, the Magnet Fluoro brown, they'll come up behind it, not touching it, so they'll be a bit light and clear shallow water. Yeah, goes up a bit, it's not so shiny. And this fella's grabbed up in the 3rd cast. He's in there, he's good to go. I'm going to get him out. There he is. Very nice plump little fish. There, bub. Off you go. There, he's taking off that other riverbank there. Probably hear the wind in the microphone. Now that wind is howling down there. Unbelievable. There's a little fella. Just missed a nice brown a minute ago. Anyway, fill that up. Only a little bub anyway. Get him off, send him home. Put him there, you go. There's this direct cast straight up there. Lovely. I tell you, that wind nearly knocks you over, it blows you over. 2 hookups, 2 trout land. Very shallow up through here, this part here now, so we'll get out and move into deeper water now. Right, my day is done. We're back home actually. It's too windy up there to do the quick run down. Just two rainbows and 2 browns by me, 1 rainbow by Gav, and then I hooked and lost 3 other little browns. And had gale force winds there, at least 30 to 35 km/h up there, and just a howling gale. It was shame really, because the water was had a good ideal flow, but very clear. But yeah, we probably could have got a few more had not been for that wind. Anyway guys, it was a good session. Gav got his first Mersey River rainbow and on the boat heading home tonight. So yeah, till next time, tight lines.